Rebellious Nature, revelation received on the 27th of October 1990. There is a rebel in you that is the flesh, that is always fighting against your new nature. This is the battle that is going on within you. Till you recognize it, you will continue to give in to the rebel rather than to your new nature. This rebel in you must be reckoned dead. It's as you stir up your new nature within you that you will be able to overcome the rebel in you. The rebel causes rebellion. All other sins arise from the sin of rebellion. Rebellion is to go against the will of God. Now, death to the rebel means the end of the battle with the Spirit of God. This death is only possible as you crucify your fleshly life. This is done by faith in the crucified life of Christ on your behalf. Now you have come to life through his resurrection. You therefore have the power of the resurrection life to overcome the rebellious nature in you. Just as you have the original body before conversion, so also now you continue to be influenced by your senses. But now you have the power to respond through your new nature or the flesh. Recognize that the rebel in you is crucified, but complete deliverance comes only by physical death. Your deliverance now has to be reckoned by faith to be a present experience. However, since you are still prone to sin and the flesh, you need to stir up the spirit in you to be an overcomer. So today, die and today live by the Spirit for the glory of God. Pray in tongues and stir up all the resources in you to be an overcomer in Christ over the flesh, the world, and the devil.